Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today our topic is Essay on Smart India in English. Introduction. India with its rich tapestry of cultural heritage and diverse population is embarking on a journey towards becoming a smart India. This vision encompasses the integration of technology, sustainable development, and inclusive growth to transform the nation into a modern, efficient, and equitable society. The concept of Smart India not only focuses on technological advancement but also emphasizes enhancing quality of life, promoting innovation, and ensuring sustainable practice across all sectors. Digital empowerment. Central to the vision of Smart India is the India initiative launched to digitally empower every citizen and ensure the availability of government services electronically. It aims to bridge the digital divide by promoting digital literacy and providing access to digital infrastructure across rural and urban areas. Through initiatives like BharatNet, the government is expanding broadband connectivity to remote corners of the country, enabling seamless access to information and services. Smart Cities Mission. The Smart Cities Mission is another crucial component of Smart India, focused on developing 100 cities into technologically advanced urban centers. These cities leverages information and communication technology to enhance infrastructure, utilities of governance, and quality of life. Smart solutions include smart transformation transportation system, efficient waste management, renewable energy integration, and ICT driven citizen services aiming to create sustainable urban ecosystem. Innovation and entrepreneurship. Promoting innovation and entrepreneurship is pivotal in realizing the vision of Smart India. Initiatives such as Startup India and Research and Development assess various India and Innovation and entrepreneurship. Promoting innovation and entrepreneurship is pivotal in realizing the vision of Smart India. Initiatives such as Startup India and Atal Innovation Mission support startup and encourage research and development across various sectors. This program nurture a culture of innovation, foster technological advancement, and create employment opportunities, thus driving economic growth and societal progress. Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainability lies at the core of Smart India. The nation is committed to achieving sustainable development goals by promoting clean energy, water conservation, waste management, and environmental protection initiatives. Programs such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Clean Ganga Mission underscore India's dedication to cleanliness, sanitation, and rejuvenation of natural resources. Challenges and opportunities. Despite significant strides, Smart India faces challenges such as infrastructure gaps, digital disparities, and effective policy implementation. Addressing these challenges require robust investment, technological innovation, and collaborative efforts between government, private sector, and civil society. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation, job creation, and inclusive development, positioning India as a global leader in the digital age. Future outlook. Looking ahead, the future of Smart India is promising with advancement in technology like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and blockchain. India has the potential to pioneer solutions for complex challenges in healthcare, agriculture, education, and governance. By leveraging its demographic dividend and promoting inclusive growth, India aims to transform into a knowledge driven economy, ensuring prosperity and well being for all of its citizens. In conclusion, Smart India represents a visionary approach towards harnessing the power of technology and innovation to achieve sustainable development and inclusive growth. By embracing digital empowerment, promoting smart urbanization, fostering innovation, and committing to sustainability, India is poised to realize its potential as a global powerhouse in the 21st century. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.